Bitcoin traders, we have a problem. On the weekend, Bitcoin dropped to about $17,800, and I posted a video on here letting you guys know how much leverage was in the system. At the time, there was about $20 billion worth of short positions open, and I explained to you that if Bitcoin was to get back to around $20,400, it would wipe out hundreds of millions of dollars worth of short positions that were opened way too late. So Bitcoin did push up just a little bit past that, and it has basically cleared the board of all that leverage. So here's the problem we're facing now. This green area here represents the Asia session where price basically went sideways and didn't do too much all day, and we have just opened the UK session. Today is a bank holiday in the US, and when we have a bank holiday, sometimes what typically happens in that session can shift to another session. The US usually brings the volatility. We didn't really see that in the Asia session today, so it's possible we'll get it in the UK. But we may also do nothing for the rest of the day, but that's not the bigger problem. The big problem is this. On Wednesday, this is Melbourne time, we have Fed Chair Powell testifying, and then he's also testifying again on Friday. These are usually big market mover events. This here was the previous short levels that have just been wiped out. That is the delta to the shorts down there, and you can see now it's down to basically 2 billion. The problem I want to show you is this uptrend here. See how when price only just started reversing, these circles are very small. It means not many people were opening long positions at the bottom where you actually should open long positions. What's happened instead, as these circles get bigger up here, they've decided to open their long positions up here. If the market makers want to continue to push price up until those news events, they do have the liquidity to keep going until around, say, 22, 23K. Why I see this as a problem is because when you look at this area here, this is showing how big the positions are. And you can see towards the bottom when we're at around 18K, wasn't that big. It's shot up as we've pushed up to around 20K. These people who have opened long positions here are very much at risk should the market makers eventually decide to bring price back down to around 19K. So I'm personally not trading this because Monday is notorious for being a fake move Monday, but there is the liquidity there for the market makers to push price up to around that 22, 23K level before they bring it back down, and we may see 19K, potentially high 18K again. Usually the actual intentional move starts around Tuesday. So I will reassess this tomorrow and provide an update if anything changes. But this is my gut feel for what I'm seeing at this point in time. I do not think we're out of the woods yet. And the thing is, if they do decide to bring the price back down mid to end of this week, they're just going to blame it on the news event anyway.